Hi, I'm Charity Mitchell. I am located in Frederick, Maryland. One of the reasons why I took the elective on children and family is at risk is because in the last 4 years I've worked pretty close with families that were at risk, helping them get connected to agencies within our community. And that's something that I want to continue to do. So the more I learn about how to best help them and serve them with new interventions and things is going to be beneficial to my work with them. Um, One thing my classmates should know about how I feel about child abuse is I know that it's out there, and I know that there are always. Hi, my name is Charity Mitchell. One of the reasons why I chose to take children's and families at risk is because for the last 4 years I've been working with families and children who are at risk, helping connect them to agencies within the community, breaking down barriers that may come up that can keep them at times connecting with our agencies in there, helping to build interdependence with our community agencies and our families. And I wanted to take this class so that I could learn more evidence-based and strength-based interventions that can help our families. The program that I was working for previously was a very strength-based program where we worked with the families at their strengths and helped them and worked collaboratively with them and other agencies so that they could reach the goals that they were wanting to reach for their families. One of the things that I do know about child abuse is it's there, it's happening, but there's many factors around the child abuse, and I'm hoping that eventually we become proactive around child abuse and giving families tools that they can use to keep from having to get to that point where they're having to deal with the state because of the child abuse. I know it's out there and that it can be very traumatizing for the children and for the families themselves, and I hope that we can become more proactive in giving and offering programs to the families so that they can learn more positive ways of dealing with stress and the trauma that a lot of our families that we work with are experiencing through poverty and racial discrimination, etc. I look forward to learning a lot and talk to you later. Bye.